It's going to come down pretty solid through the night tonight, and then it should start tapering off by tomorrow morning, which is good news for the CIM.
Yeah.
The runners, it looks like, the roads may be wet, but it may not be raining on them as they start the race at 7 o'clock in the morning. But we'll take a closer look at that in a moment. Right now, we're looking at the radar, and you can see just this stream, a pretty steady stream of rain right now with some pockets of heavier rain coming down. And that's what I really wanted to focus on right now, is those areas where we're seeing some of the heavier rainfall. Here along Highway 50, just to the south, is where we're seeing that heavier rainfall near Mormon Immigrant Trail Road. You can see that we have some areas of yellow showing up on radar, and that's some pretty heavy rainfall rates. Also along Highway 88 between Omo Ranch Road and going up the hill towards Mormon Immigrant Trail Road is where we have some of the heavier rainfall. This is just in the Caldor area and to the south of Caldor. And then as we move south, as we go along Highway 4, rain picking up as you move from Vallecito to Murphy's, Forest Meadows, Avery, all coming down at a little bit more than moderate rate. Not as heavy as some of these other areas, like just down the road from Twain Harte is where we're seeing some. Also in the Tuolumne area, we're seeing some of that heavier rainfall along Highway 108. As you make your way up towards Sonora Pass is where you're going to run into some of that heavier rain. And it's coming down to rain until you get up close to the pass at this time. So how much are we expecting? Well, we've had already so far with this system. Look at this, it's pretty impressive, 9200s. And that's just within the past few hours. We really saw that number tick up, because just to the south in Stockton and Modesto, we're at 1200s, 3300s around Yuba City, close to a ½ inch in Davis, 4300s in Auburn, 0.7 in Blue Canyon, ½ inch in Placerville. So all of this is going to be picking up as that rain seems to be kind of ramping up as it makes its way up the west slope of the Sierra. Winter storm warning is up there, but again, most of the snow staying above 7,000 feet right now. We will eventually, as we get into Sunday, see those snow levels dropping and get anywhere from 6 to 12 inches by 5,000 feet. And also it's going to be some strong gusty winds. But taking a look at the broad picture here, you can see as we go from today all the way into Monday, we could see 17 inches in Blue Canyon, you could see 19 inches in Echo Summit, 6 inches in Truckee, close to that in Portola, and 2 feet possible around Kirkwood. So right now, conditions outside are wet. Temperatures ranging in the 50s in Modesto and Stockton. We have 42 in Sacramento, though. That seems a little odd to have it so cool there. Lake Tahoe currently 39 degrees. We are looking at winds that are anywhere from 3 to 10 miles per hour. That's where we have some of the strongest winds in Fairfield coming out of the north. But again, that flow coming in off the Pacific is going to continue with the showers as we go through tonight. As we head into, there's 10 p.m. tonight, heaviest rain along the west slope of the Sierra, and again, just still that very high snow level. We see things, a bit of a break as we go through Sunday morning after we have 4 a.m., a line of rain come through, and then there's our break. And then we have, by 2 p.m., another chance for some more showers popping up. Wouldn't be surprised if we saw some thunderstorms pop up Sunday afternoon. Again, we're talking about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And then as we get into Monday morning, another band comes in. So we'll continue with this chance for rain as we go through Monday, even on into Tuesday. As the core of this system rolls on through, we are looking at a chance for some more thunderstorms popping up. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at that 7-day forecast. We have rain Sunday, Monday, Tuesday morning, may see a few showers out there, and then we dry out for Wednesday and Thursday before another weather system moves in by next Friday.